This video will walk you through using the Smart Rate Query agent efficiently. This agent is designed to support both new and existing UNIS team members by providing quick access to any rate sheet in the database through a simple query. If you have a rate inquiry, this bot will be your go-to resource. Additionally, it serves as a quoting tool for new customers and helps educate team members on the importance of understanding billable rates. Initiate a chat session by clicking on Start Chat. Here we take 3 examples in this video. Enter the query to process. For example, what's the rate for inbound handling? The agent will provide you answer based on the knowledge base. As shown, below the answer, there shows the specific knowledge document applied. Previous example, we ask the rate for a general process. This time, we send another specific shipping request. The agent will follow the workflow to calculate and output the price for you. In this request, we provides more details and requirements based on example 2, looking for the latest answer. Now, we get the shipping cost for the additional requirements. Thank you for watching the tutorial on how to use Smart Rate Query Agent.